Hi everyone, you're welcome to Eston Electronics Uganda. And last time we were looking at the physical circuit of an AND gate, and this time around we want to look at it in the simulation program. For this case I'm using Multisim. And our AND gate is connected in such a way over it there. You bring in the components and connect them as in that circuit diagram you're seeing over there in the Multisim. This VCC is a positive 5V voltage DC supply. Then we have resistors, this, and this. Then we have our BJTs, the first one here and the second one here. Then we have the output, which is the LED here. We also have switches here, switch 1 and switch 2. They are all connected in that way. What you do, you bring in your DC power supply here. Then to the positive 5V DC power supply, you connect the collector. But before you connect the collector to it, you connect the resistor. And this has to be a bigger resistor. It has to have some big resistance. For this case I used 330 ohms. And this, like resistors they tend to reduce the flow of current, so we want a small current to pass through this collector of the first BJT. Then the emitter of the first BJT is connected to the collector of the second BJT. Then the emitter of the second BJT is then connected to the resistor over here. But in between there, that's where we connect our LED that will give us the output. And then both the resistor are connected to the emitter, and the negative terminal of the LED are connected to the earthing. This is the earthing. So the base, all the base are supplied with a positive 5V voltage, which is this. So instead of putting here another 5V source, we decided to use one source, which is this. So all the bases are connected to the VCC. And to do this, before you connect the base, you have to use a resistor over here to protect the BJT from burning or from being affected. So that's the circuit, and now we are looking at its operation. Remember, we said the AND gate, for the AND gate, for us to have the output as 1, both the inputs must be a 1. Hope you get that. Then when you look at this, when the inputs are both zeros, we have no light here. This is the red LED here. When now I switch on both, hope you're seeing the LED starts to light, which we saw in the physical circuit. But when one of the inputs is a 0, when I switch off that way, you see that we have no light here. That happens, the same happens to both when both the switches are off. Hope you get that. But when we switch both on, we see light here. I would like to take you back to the physical circuit, and you see what is happening in our simulation happening in the physical circuit. This is what was happening when I switched off one of the base current. The light goes off. When both are on, the light goes on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Eston Electronics Uganda.